Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the JBL Tour Pro 3. These are the earbuds with the screen on the case. Pretty excited to check these out. I've been on the hunt for a pair of earbuds that I can use with all my devices in both ecosystems, both Apple and Android, because I'm using my S24 Ultra, soon to be S25 Ultra, and my Tab S10 Ultra a lot, but I do use my iPhone from time to time, and of course my Mac. So I'm hoping that these will pair nicely with the both of them and be easy to switch between, so I can find one pair of earbuds that I like for both devices and not have to go between like my AirPods and my my Galaxy Buds and stuff like that. So going to get these out of the box here. One cool thing about these is you can use the case as the transmitter. So is there another? No. There we go. You can use the case as a transmitter, so if you have a device that does not have Bluetooth, you can use the case by connecting it either via headphone jack or I think USB-C. So right up here we have the headphones themselves with all the tips there. It's got, I think, 4 different sizes. I believe it is what it came with. Yeah, you've got extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. So there's actually 5. Of course, one of them's already on there. We have, looks like, what is the power on instructions if it's unresponsive. And then in here we have all kinds of different cables and a pretty thick manual, as well as some foam ear tips. So there is one pair of foam ear tips in there if you prefer the foam ones over the silicone ones. So right here we have USB-C, and then we have USB-C to headphone jack. So you can plug the headphone jack into something and then plug this into the case and use the case as the actual Bluetooth transmitter. So like I said, if you have a device that doesn't have headphones or it doesn't have Bluetooth, or you're on like an airplane or something like that, you can connect them via a headphone jack and use them that way. And we do have a charge first. We're going to probably ignore that depending on how much power they have. Get all the tape and everything off. Pretty big case, but like I said, it does have that screen on there, so to be expected. Now it said if it's unresponsive to hold the button down for 10 seconds. So there we go, it looks like it turned on. And we swipe to unlock. Not sure exactly how they work, but you can change between, it looks like, Bluetooth and let's see, we'll go ahead and take them out, see if they connect. Not getting a battery percentage on the headphones themselves. Okay, it looks like they have a piece of tape on there to keep them from charging. So I'll have to take that off and then probably charge them for a little bit. Alright, yep, they are completely dead, so that one just came up at 1%. The other one didn't pop up. Let's see, make sure that one's in there all the way. Got even a flashlight mode there you can do with the screen. Find My Buds, notifications and message previews. So you can get like notifications and everything on the screen. Autoplay pause, voice aware, lock screen wallpaper, screen brightness. So it's just got 3 different brightness settings there. Still not getting anything on that on the other earbud. It looks like if you're on another page, you can swipe up to go back home to the main page. Let me make sure I got all the tape off of that one. I did. Okay, now they're both blinking, so. They're both blinking, it's just not connecting. I heard something about battery. Yeah, I don't know. I think they need to probably charge, because that one's being detected when I put it in. Okay, nope, that one just came up. So it turned orange up there, so it looks like it probably just needs to charge for a little bit. So we're gonna let these charge. I'm gonna get them set up, try them out, and I'll probably come back in another video and see how I like them, see how well they work between my multiple devices, and how well the Bluetooth pairing ends up being. So I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.